Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Swati Sandy. First of all, thank you so much for the response for my previous video. I got so many positive response and suggestions on my previous video and what to do next from my friends and everyone. Thank you so much for that. In this video, I'm going to explain how to apply TRV, temporary residence visa, step by step. And for this process, I used one of my friend's account because he recently got work permit and needs to apply for TRV. So I just want to do it in the process. So before going into the video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. So let's get into the video.
Once you log into your CIC account, come down to the home page of your account and you will see an option like apply to come to Canada. Click here. It will ask a personal reference code here that we don't have. So just come down and click on work permit. We are applying for a TRV, temporary residence visa. So here it will ask a bunch of questions and there are more questions forward. So you just need to answer all of the questions. Here we can go through one by one. The first question is, what would you like to do in Canada? It's a option work here. We are applying for a TRV for the work permit. And how long are you planning to stay? It's a temporarily more than 6 months. And select the code that matches on your passport. That's India in this case. So select that one. And what is the country of residence? That's Canada. So click that one here. So the next question is, do you have a family member who is a citizen? In this case, it's no. Most of the cases, it will be no for the people who already got the work permit and applying for the TRV. You need to enter your date of birth here and click next. It's asking for, are you a permanent resident of the US? So the option is no. Click next. What is your immigration status? That is worker, current immigration status. And there are different questions here. You just need to go through one by one, and if it is applicable to you, you can choose yes or else it's no. And in my friend's case, everything is no here. You can just go through the questions once and you will understand what they are asking for. So they are asking here, have you been told by any immigration officer that you're approved for the permanent residence? That is no in this case. And have you submitted the permanent residence application before? No. Do you have a written job offer? If you already have a job offer, you can choose yes here. In my friend's case, it's no, so I'm choosing no here. Here they are asking if you have an employer specific work permit. It's no. And click next. Marital status. It's never married in this case. If you're married, you can choose that. And province of destination, it's Ontario. Click next. So this is exactly what we are trying to apply here, temporary residence visa, TRV. If you are working or studying in Canada, you need to have that. Click next, continue here. Continue. There are more questions. So which of the following best describes your situation? We have an open work permit here, so just choose that option and click. And the next question is, have you had any medical exam in the last 12 months? It's no in this case. Click next. And the next question is, have you lived in a designated country for more than 6 months? It's yes. Click next. So it's again asking for the medical exam here. It should be no because we are not going to give a medical exam here. Click next. Are you submitting an application for a family member? No. Click next. And are you giving authorization to someone else to your application? It's no here. Click next. If you have already given biometrics, you don't need to go for them again because they are valid for 10 years. In this case, my friend, he already gave biometrics when he's applying for work permit. So I'm choosing the option yes here. In your case, if you didn't give biometrics, you can choose no here. Then click next. So there will be fees for this application. So yes, we are paying the fees online. Click next. Are you able to make a digital copy of the documents, whatever they're asking for? Yes. Click next. Are you paying your fees online? Yes. Click next. So here are the answers that you gave. Just go through every one of the question again and make sure you got them correct. If you want to change any of the answer, you can just go to this option and edit the answer. Just come down to the bottom and click continue once you verified everything. Just come to the bottom, continue. So here the important thing comes, IMM 5257. This is a form you need to fill up. You need to download this form. You can open it in Adobe. You need to fill it out and you need to upload this file. The supporting documents that you need are your work permit copy, your passport and your digital photo. You need to upload all these files. Once you upload all these files, here at the bottom the continue option will appear to pay your fees. Here there should be a $85 fee for the biometrics. Before I chose yes for the biometrics, so that's why it's waived here and it's only $100 for this application. You can click continue once you uploaded all the documents and you can pay the fees. Then your application will be submitted. So this is how the form looks like, guys. You just need to mention all your personal information here. That's about your passport, work permit, your education history and also your work history. And you need to mention your contact details also. Once you filled out everything, just come down to the bottom and click on validate. It's a must. Once you click on validate, it will generate a barcode. You need to save it with that barcode, this form, and after saving it you just need to upload it to the website.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.